Guys, 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander. If you're looking to change out the cabin air filter, pretty simple on this one. Basically, first you get on the side here and release the piston. You basically just pull it out. Little tab here. There's a tab on this side and there's a tab on this side. That's all you have to do is push them in and kind of pull the glove box towards you like that. That side out, pull that side out, drop down, pull your little tab on the side of the filter cover, and then just slide your cabin air filter out. Pretty simple. Hopefully this helps, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.